Hey guys, welcome back to the channel McNallie Money, your home of all things stock, investment, and personal finance related. In today's video, we're joined by Charles Yan. He's the CFO of Intchains Group. They just came out with their Q1 earnings, and we're going to be dissecting them in today's presentation. Before we get into it, take a second, smash the like button, guys. Big help to myself and the channel. If you're not already subscribed, McNallie Money, feel free to join, and let us know in the comments section below if you've heard of Intchains Group before, and if you're currently holding shares. With that being said, let's get into today's video. Okay guys, so that's right. Today's video, we've got Charles Yan, the CFO of Intchains Group Limited, back on the program. We're going to be going over their Q1 earnings. Charles, you guys have brought along a slide presentation we'll have up on the screen here as well, but welcome back to the channel and thank you for making the time.
Yeah, it's great to see you again, Bryce, and I'm glad to be here to share our Q1 2025 performance and business update and the latest products with you. Thank you.
Yeah, that's great. We're going to get into some of those exciting updates, the Aleo miner in a little bit here, but before we do, maybe we wanted to kick it off with the highlights from Q1.
Before I dive into our performance, I'd like to first highlight that the overall crypto market environment in this quarter is quite challenging. So the total market cap dropped by about 18%. Bitcoin fell by 13%, and Ether by 46%, and Dogecoin by 49%. So despite this downturn, we still delivered a very strong set of results. So now let's dive into our financial performance. Our revenue for Q1 was $18.2 million, was largely driven by the successful launch of our Aleo mining series, which accounted for nearly 75% of our total revenue. The product's strong margins and the timely launch helped us respond quickly to market demand. So revenue increased 78% quarter over quarter, significantly overperformed industry peers. Our gross margin increased from $2.7 million to $10.4 million, and our gross margin rose from 26% to 57%, driven by high mining returns and the strong margins of Aleo miner. Operation income turned positive at $5.1 million, driven by top-line growth and the reduced R&D expenses as several early-stage projects concluded. Among crypto mining companies, we are one of the few to report positive operating income in Q1. So our net income was negative $4.7 million compared to profit in previous quarter. This is primarily due to a near $10 million non-cash loss from revaluing our Ether holding. This quarter, Ethereum's price dropped about 46%. Despite the downturn, we maintain a steady pace of Ethereum accumulation. As of March 31, 2025, we hold approximately 7,023 Ether, up 23.2% quarter over quarter. Next, let me turn to our balance sheet. So as of March 31, 2025, our cash equivalent, and the short-term investments totaled $74.9 million, up from year-end 2024. And thanks for this positive operating income, our USDC and cryptocurrency holdings amounted to $16.1 million. Even with this market volatility this quarter, we managed to stay profitable and kept using those profits to invest ETH as part of our ongoing strategy. We also have a new product, Aleo miner and Goldshell Byte. So all these are consistent with our strategy.
Yeah, most definitely, Charles. Appreciate you breaking down the numbers like that. Now, for people who are maybe newer to the Intchains Group story, can you give us a quick high-level summary or overview of the company as well?
Okay. At our core, we are a company deeply rooted in the altcoin ecosystem. Our focus is reflected in two main areas. First, we design and deliver high-performance mining machines, specifically for altcoin, especially those with strong long-term fundamentals and growing communities. Secondly, we strategically accumulate ETH using our operating profits. We see ETH not only as a long-term store of value, but the market beta of the crypto world. Dual engine approach, hardware innovation, and Ether asset accumulation positions us uniquely in the market, allowing us to benefit from both infrastructure growth and asset appreciation.
Sure. And there's obviously other players in the altcoin mining space. How has InChains differentiated yourself from the other players?
Yeah. So our strategic positioning stands in clear contrast to most players in the market. While traditional mining hardware companies tend to pursue large-scale deployments focused only on Bitcoin, we've taken a more flexible and moving forward approach, grounded in three core business pillars. First, we focus on finding good mining opportunities in smaller altcoins, coins that many others overlook. Second, we build home use mining machines that are really made for individual users, not just the big farms. Third, we have a clear strategy to use part of our profits to hold ETH as a long-term investment and a part of our company's assets. Because we made these clear choice early on, we've been able to grow steadily even when the market goes through up and downs.
Makes sense. Now, you mentioned the Aleo and Byte miners a little bit earlier. Can you give us a quick overview of each one of these platforms?
Yeah. Okay, so let's take a look at our growth driver. This is our growth driver for this quarter. The new products we launched in this quarter, our latest Aleo miner currently delivers one of the highest daily returns in the market. Nearly 75% of our revenue this quarter came from our Aleo product line, making it core driver of our current business performance. And under the same power consumption, our unit profitability remains the highest among competitors, thanks to our focus on efficiency and product optimization.
Yeah, very exciting product. I remember you talking about the Aleo miner and that system last time we had you on the channel as well, Charles. Now, you've also brought up the Byte miner. Can you talk to us a little bit about that one?
Yeah. Goldshell Byte is an innovative dual mining machines. It supports Aleo, Dogecoin, and Litecoin currently, giving users more flexibility across different coins. So what makes it unique is that it is the hot swappable mining card design. Users can easily switch between different coin and algorithms based on market conditions without needing to buy a new device. So with features like dual mining and the hot swappable cards, we are not just launching another machine. We are building the next generation of mining experience. And this all ties back to our core mission. We are committed to becoming the leading brand in home mining.
Excellent,
Okay.
Charles. Yeah, we appreciate you breaking down those two machines. Now, in terms of investment highlight here or thesis behind ICG, can you walk us through some of the investment highlights?
Yeah. To wrap up, through the overall crypto market decline in this quarter, we still delivered a strong performance and launched innovative products. These operational successes continue to provide us with the resources to steadily accumulate Ether. We remain committed to this strategy moving forward.
Sure. Yeah, Ethereum accumulation, a great strategy there. Now, in terms of the second half of the year, what product iterations or improvements can we keep an eye out for?
Yeah, so first, we are very optimistic about the Dogecoin's future, and we'll continue to upgrade our Dogecoin miners process node. We aim to become a top-tier supplier of Dogecoin miners in the industry. Secondly, if we identify promising innovative projects in the future, we also hope to lead the market in launching corresponding miners. This is similar to how we launched the Aleo series miners in Q1, creating substantial returns for miners and contributing to project's ecosystem, all while earning our share of rewards.
Great. Now, you launched the Goldshell Byte miner in March of this year. We just mentioned this was very innovative. It can mine multiple different altcoins. What was the motivation for getting into this space?
Yeah, Goldshell currently supports minings for Aleo coin and Dogecoin, and in the future, it maybe potential compatibility for more projects in the future. So through the swappable mining cards, the primary motivation behind this project was addressing a common pain point for individual miners. Every time they switch projects or switch coins, they typically need to purchase entire new machines. In response, we introduced this standardized miner with pluggable mining cards, allowing miners to easily switch cards based on the market condition instead of change the whole machine. So for the company's perspective, this product helps us to standardize hardware design when leveraging our technical expertise across multiple cryptocurrencies. For cryptocurrency industry, we hope this product will lower the barrier to entry and encourage more people to participate in the crypto mining, ultimately contributing to the decentralization of the blockchain projects.
Yeah, definitely makes it more easy and financially accessible to switch between the coins. Now, you talked about the Ethereum accumulation strategy. I believe you guys started that in Q1 of last year, so
Yeah.
2024. Can you talk about the current Ethereum accumulation strategy and where you see that going?
So as of March 31, 2025, the company held 7,023 units of ETH, representing a 23.2% increase compared to the end of previous quarter. Thanks to our strong profitability, we have been using our own funds to accumulate ETH through our dollar cost averaging strategy. As shown by our records, the amount of ETH purchased each quarter has been relatively consistent. Looking ahead, we plan to continue with this accumulation strategy. On the one hand, our core business generates positive cash flow, allowing us steadily invest in ETH. On the other hand, we also hope to raise funds through the capital markets and accelerate accumulation. So the pace and the scale of the future purchase will depend on our ability to secure financing from the capital markets. Yeah.
For sure. Now, in terms of 2025 catalysts, we talked about some of the developments on the miner side. What else should we be watching for this year?
Yeah. Thank you. Looking forward, I think several catalysts could drive long-term upside in 2025. First, New Hampshire has set a precedent by passing the first U.S. state-level Bitcoin reserve bill, and potentially encouraging other states and the whole world to follow. Second, regulatory momentum is building behind Bitcoin. ETF applications such as Litecoin, Dogecoin, and other major altcoins are gaining traction, which could boost the market demand. Third, the Federal Reserve is expected to cut interest rates twice in 2025. According to CME FedWatch, there's a 51.4 probability of the first rate cut happening as early as September 2025. So a macro shift that could drive renewed capital into the crypto market. And finally, the rise of the new crypto technology, of course, such as zero knowledge infrastructure, is opening fresh opportunities for both miners and investors.
Yeah, exciting times ahead. We've covered a lot here today. I know we went over the financials, some of the new products, the exciting opportunities for 2025. I wanted to give you an opportunity to close out here. Talk about the future outlook for ICG.
Yeah, our company's strategy has always been clear: accumulation Ethereum through a profit generated from altcoin miner business, creating a dual engine approach to deliver returns for our investors. During bull markets, we actively explore innovative projects and launch corresponding altcoin miners. The success of our Aleo, Airfin, Caspar miner products in this cycle validates our deep insights into the altcoin mining sector. Currently, all our altcoin mining projects are profitable. In the bear markets, we shift more resources towards accumulating Ether. We are currently exploring way to enhance Ethereum staking returns through staking and ecological influence, as well as accumulating more ETH through financing. We aspire to become the Ethereum version of MicroStrategy. In addition, regardless of market cycles, we remain committed to advancing our Dogecoin miner upgrades, as this remains the cornerstone of our long-term profitability.
Very good. Charles Yan, the CFO of Intchains Group. Q1 earnings, we appreciate you taking the time to go through here today. If you guys have any additional questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. We'll make sure we pass those over to the team. Thanks so much for watching. Hit the like button. Feel free to subscribe. Charles, we look forward to having you back on the program soon, and congratulations on the Q1 results.
Thanks for the opportunity for this interview. Really enjoyed the conversation. Bye. Thank you.